I'm in the kitchen. This is not my usual unboxing spot. Move over, Alexa. The show is here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, as I said in the intro, this is not the normal area to unbox something, but this is a kitchen. And this is where I think I'm going to put the show, so why not unbox it here and make this one jealous, right? So I've got a helper. This is Colton. His hands will be over here. Alright, so this box is much heavier, but it does look sort of similar to all of the other devices we've unboxed here. And zip strips. There's going to be a lot of lonely tubes tonight, I think, when all these things are delivered to their new owner. So, okay, let's just get the box. There it is, covered in plastic. Let's get it out, Colt. Wow. Alright, so encased in plastic. It's definitely heavy with those speakers in there. Try it.
Sure.
It's heavy. Of course, this thing's heavy too. I think this is heavier.
Yeah.
Okay. What else you got in there? I'll get this out.
We've got the
Flash supply.
plug.
So that, so that's bigger.
Instructions.
The instructions. Alright, let's show this off. So the power port back here. It's got a nice grippy rubber surface here. Looks like one of those like rear projection LED TVs. Remember those? Let me slow down the movement here. We got power, negative, positive for volume. Looks like we got a, I don't know if this is the microphone area. We got to take that off. Ooh, that's nice. It's really glossy. I hope this thing doesn't get like really smudged up. But I want to show you this. Let me get this one offline. It's just a little bit bigger than the original Alexa, which is dusty, but looks fairly the same. So let's get this off. Okay, now can you guys see that? I'm blocking everything. Let's power it on. So Echo Show. I thought she was going to say hello. Doesn't she usually say hello?
Hello. Your Echo device is ready for setup.
There we go. Alright, well, after a 10-minute update for the show, I wanted to share something with you. My network picks up new devices that jump on the Wi-Fi, and it's reporting it as an Amazon Android. So I guess that all those Fire phones that failed are inside here. Okay, bad jokes aside, we're going to do a test, and this thing kept turning on this one, so we're going to unmute that. Now we're going to do a test of a song, and we're going to try to pause back and forth so you can hopefully hear some differences in the sound. So Colton, go ahead.
Alexa, play Believer by Imagine Dragons.
Believer by Imagine Dragons.
I'm going to pick it up. Okay. Alexa, play Believer by Imagine Dragons.
Believer by Imagine Dragons.
No, that one didn't go.
First things first, I'ma say.
So that's not bad. By the way, this remote came with this, so let's not get that confused.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things things have been, oh, ooh, the way that
Not
things
bad.
have been, oh, ooh. Yeah.
Alexa, set a pizza timer for 10 minutes.
Pizza timer, 10 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute.
Second timer, 1 minute, starting now.
So you can see your two timers going right there, and this one obviously is called pizza. So that's neat. I wonder if we can cancel these. Oh, look at that. We can slide that off. We can slide that off. Alexa, set a chocolate chip cookie timer for 1 minute.
Chocolate chip cookie timer, 1 minute, starting now.
Honestly, I don't know who does that. Alexa, go home. What else can we do?
I don't know.
What do you do with yours? You play music.
Yeah, like all the time.
All the time. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Fishers, it's 77 degrees with intermittent clouds. Throughout the day, you can expect more of this.
Ooh, I touched it and it stopped, so sorry. There we go. Wednesday. Right now. So this is going to take some getting used to.
Oh,
And-
yeah.
Okay. Now we have the whole thing.
Your chocolate chip cookie timer is done.
Dismiss up. Alexa, home. Alexa, show me the trailer for Despicable Me 3. That's fast.
Your brother were born, your father and I divorced.
That's cool. Alexa, stop. Alexa, home. Also, check this out. See that?
Yeah.
You can customize it with photos. All right, in order to make a call with this thing, or even your older devices, you have to load the contacts into your phone that has the Alexa app. And then your, sorry Alexa,
How to help?
sorry about that. And then you can say, Alexa, send a message.
To whom?
Chris Compton.
To Chris Compton, right?
Yes.
What's the message?
Hey Chris, you're on YouTube.
Sending from David McCabe.
Alexa, play my messages.
No new messages. Should I play the earlier ones?
Yes.
One for David McCabe from Chris Compton. Mine got delayed in shipping in Cincinnati. Hope you are liking it. Received just now.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, he answered on his phone. Hey Compton, what's up?
Hey man, I don't have the show yet.
Hey, that's perfect though. We're filming, and that's a good example because you can answer on your phone, right? It popped up.
Sure did.
That's cool. Smart Home HQ, guys. This is Chris Compton. So
Everybody?
you get yours tomorrow?
Yeah. The UPS delivered from Hebron to Indianapolis, Cincinnati, and now it's somewhere. They misplaced it during sorting.
Oh yeah, I know they go to and they come to Hebron. Everybody goes to Hebron, but I wonder why they messed that up.
It's all over the place. It'll be here.
Yeah.
I already rearranged, so I moved all the other Alexas and Echoes out of where they currently were, and I moved them somewhere else, so I have spots. So I now have empty spots, and I want to say, Alexa, do something, and there's no Alexas there.
Yeah. You need one?
Yeah, no, I got plenty of them, right? Extra.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of these going up on eBay here this week.
Oh man, the prices have come down, and you're not even. You're gonna feel like you haven't even got anything back.
Yep. Give them to grandma, people.
Get dinner going.
Cool. All right, man.
I'd like to say hi.
See ya.
See you, bud.
Okay, so here's the video
It's
test.
Barb Bowman's home.
So they have to be in your contacts, guys, to answer this. So we're gonna answer. Hey, Barb.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm taking a film of this. And who are the
This is
gentlemen?
This is Colton, and that's Matt. Alexa, play the Reset podcast.
Getting the latest episode of Reset. Here it is from TuneIn.
Now that
This is Reset. It can be found at mccabe.io. I'll be talking about
sounds good, huh?
plugs in,
Really
batteries,
bassy. Who is that guy?
mostly home
I don't
automation.
know. Maybe it's some handsome crazy dude.
Some crazy dude. This kid is good. Okay, check in with new videos on this channel,
On my desk for years.
and
Reminds me that
we'll see you. We'll see you on the next one.
Near the end of the
All right, Colin,
show.
let's get out of here.
So community update. I mean, a little bit of info about the site.
Alexa?
About
Stop.